Number 1. If you don't want to write anything, then you can just say it. Press the Windows key plus H and open the Speech to Test tool. Number 2. Press Windows plus Shift plus S will open the Screenshot tool. Number 3. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Then right-click on that bugging application and click on End Task. Number 4. Snap your window without using the mouse by using the Windows key and then pressing the arrow keys. Number 5. Don't lose what you just copied. Press Windows plus V to see your clipboard history. Number 6. Press Ctrl plus L to start typing at the URL bar without having to click on it. And then Ctrl plus K to make a search on Google. Number 7. Type in the search bar Startup Apps and open it. On this page, you can see all the startup apps that might be slowing down your PC. Number 8. If you want to open an instance of an already opened application, put your mouse over the app, then press the middle mouse button. Number 9. To open an image, video, or anything on a new page, you don't have to use the right button of the mouse. You can use the middle button too. Try it by yourself and report any questions, issues, or ideas in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more informative content about Windows and many other things. Bye!